great news from our clients who received the letter from home insurance company about to get the policy canceled because the roof has algae, moss, and the insurance saw that or they noticed that in the area. So we got a chance to work with the client, amazing homeowner, amazing client. So we come out, take a look. We did, clean up. We cleaned the roof, remove majority of moss and algae with the soft brush, and then we cleared out the roof, clear out the gutters, and we applied the cleaning solution to kill off the remaining moss and algae. And then we flush out or we rinse up the roof to make sure that it's nice and clean, doesn't have any more algae and moss. We take before and after picture. We send it to share it with the client, and after we share it with client send it to the insurance company, and insurance company review it. They saw that homeowner already have the roof clean, maintain the roof, and everything looks nice and clean. The homeowner, the insurance company was able to make an offer and renew the policy for my client, for this client. So she was so happy, and we so happy too, because we do whatever it takes in this case to making sure that our client can keep the home insurance policy. Especially more and more insurance companies that live in California, it's harder for homeowner to get the insurance now. So that's why we want to have it clean, do it for this client. We're very happy. Received the news from the clients early in the morning after checking with the client multiple times, because they had to send those pictures, send a document to the insurance company, have the insurance company review it, and finally, client received her back from the insurance company with the offer to renew the policy. So this client was so happy. The insurance policy renew, and she was able to keep the policy on. It's very important to have your roof, to have your home maintenance, doing roof cleaning, windows cleaning, gutter cleaning. Those are just like car maintenance. If we do it, it's beside keep it clean, it's also extend the life of your home too. Just like anything, if you don't maintain it, it doesn't last as long. Like your car, if you don't do maintenance, it won't last. Same thing with your home. You got moss and algae on the roof, you don't take care of it, over time it will build up, and the roof material will deteriorate, and eventually that can become very expensive to repair or to replace the roof. So a simple clean, every year, simple maintenance every year, a roof wash, roof cleaning goes a long way. So do it right, keep your policy, have wonderful days, everyone.